Good morning, children. Open term 2 book, page number 154, EVS second lesson, sense organs and their functions. Children, our body is the most amazing machine in the world. How do we know what is happening around us? We have 5 ways to know about a thing. These are called senses. We have 5 senses. They are sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. We have 5 senses to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. The parts of our body that help us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel are called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. First, eyes. Eyes help us to see all the things around us. We can see things with our eyes. We can also see colors, shape, sizes with our eyes. Next page. We must take good care of our eyes by washing our eyes with cold water every day, not rubbing our eyes, not sitting too close to the television while watching it, not reading in poor light, not reading in a moving vehicle, not reading while lying on the bed, not touching our eyes with dirty hands. While reading, keep the book 15 to 25 inches away from the eyes. Do not read in a moving vehicle. Do not sit too close to the television. Keep away sharp object from our eyes. If you have itching in your eyes, do not rub them. Splash water in your eyes and also wash your eyes 2 to 4 times a day with cold water. Ears. Ears are important as they help us to hear different sounds around us. Ears help us to hear sounds. We must take good care of our ears by cleaning our ears using a soft cloth, not using any sharp objects to clean or scratch our ears, covering our ears with a scarf or some cotton when we go out in the cold, wearing a swimming cap to prevent water from entering our ears while swimming. Children, always keep our ears clean and dry. Do not let water go inside our ears while taking bath. We must use a soft cloth for cleaning our ears. Do not poke anything into the ears. Keep sharp objects away from ears like pencils, safety pins, etc. They can damage our eardrum. Children, while listening music and watching TV, keep the volume low because loud noise can damage our ears. Next, nose. Our nose helps us to identify different smells. Nose has 2 holes called nostrils. The nose is the primary organ of smell. The nose helps us to breathe. Air comes into the body through the nose. Turn next page. It is important that we take care of our nose by cleaning it while having a bath, not putting pencils or other objects into our nostrils, blowing our nose gently when we have a cold, covering our nose and mouth while sneezing, not putting our fingers inside nose often. Children, wash our nose with cold water smoothly. Keep your nose cleanly. Use neat and clean handkerchief while sneezing and coughing. Do not poke your nose with pointed objects like pencils, needles, safety pins, etc. Here, look at the picture. Cover your nose and mouth while sneezing like this. Next, tongue. The tongue helps us to taste food. The tongue has taste buds which help us to identify different tastes such as sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Children, we can taste things with our tongue. Taking care of tongue is clean our tongue regularly with smooth cleaner. Drink plenty of water. Avoid eating too hot or too cold things. Do not put any sharp objects in your mouth. See, a cake is sweet, but seawater is salty. Nostrils, the two opening at the end of the nose through which we breathe. Taste buds, small spots on our tongue that give us the ability to taste things. So, having a taste like that of a lemon. Bitter, having a strong, unpleasant taste. Next page. Skin. Our skin helps us to feel. It tells whether the objects we touch are soft, rough, cold, or hot. The skin also helps us to feel pain. We can feel things with skin. We can feel hot and cold. We can feel soft and hard. And also we can feel sharp objects also. Next, we must take care of our skin by having a bath every day, wearing clean clothes, treating wounds as soon as possible to avoid infection. Look at this picture. Skin helps us to feel pain. Here, take bath every day. Children, look at this picture. Take bath every day and wear clean clothes. Wash your hands before and after eating. Children, did you understand about our sense organs? Okay, let us recall what we learned from this lesson. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to taste. And skin help us to feel. Okay children, next I will explain textual exercises. Turn the page. Children, in page number 158, some exercises are there. First one, match the following. Match the column A with column B. First one, these are eyes. Colors of balloons. Next, nose. Smell flowers. Smell flowers. Here you write number 1. Next, tongue. Taste of honey. So, here you write number 5. Next, skin. Prick of thorns. Here you write number 3. Next, ear. Sounds of crackers. Here you write number 4. Next, tick the correct answers. First one, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skins are the five sense organs, muscles, bones, and limbs. Sense organs, correct. We must wash our eyes with hot, cold, salty, warm water every day. Which one is correct? Cold. Next, we must clean our ears using a soft cloth, pencil, stick, pen. Cloth is correct. Our dash helps us to identify different tastes. Nose, tongue, ear, eye. Tongue is correct. Our dash tells whether the substance we touch is soft or rough. Skin, nose, eye, ear. Skin is correct. Next, put a tick if the sentence is correct or a cross if it is wrong. First one. Our heart is a sense organ. Wrong. We must not read in a moving vehicle. Right. Taste buds help us to identify different smells. Wrong. We must blow our nose gently when we have a cold. Right. We must take a bath every day. Correct. Next. Next page. Answer the following questions. First one. Name any two of the five sense organs. Sorry. Name any two of the five senses. Smelling, hearing. Name any two sense organs. Nose and ears. Next. Which sense organ help us to tell whether a dish is a sweet or spicy? Tongue. Which sense organ helps us to find out whether a substance is hot or cold? Skin. Next, if we sit too close to the screen while watching television, which sense organ gets affected? Eyes. Thank you, children.